Hello?
Yeah, dude, where are you?
I'm right up, dude. Wait for 5 seconds. I'll be right there.
Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you.
Abhishek? Why were the lights off? What? What happened? Abhishek! What is this? What? Oh my god! What happened? But it was you guys?
Of course it was us. I thought you'd realize, but you didn't.
But the stains!
The stains, wasn't it a little too obvious that it was red paint?
Dude, all that's okay. But the one that actually scared me the most was this man. He touched my shoulder and had the screwdriver in his hand. I was terrified by that. Who was it?
Man? What man are you talking about?